destroyed.
Okay. We want to get a quick check on the Hurricane Irma's path. NBC meteorologist Kalee Dionne is tracking the storm for us. She joins us right now.
We just had an update from the National Hurricane Center on Hurricane Irma, and everything is going unchanged. So we still have 180-mile-per-hour winds with this beast of a storm. It's still tracking, if you look off to my right here, it's still tracking to the west-northwest, right toward the islands of Turks and Caicos. As we go through the day today, they can expect this to move in later on this evening, and then going into Friday, it will be more so for the southeastern Bahamas that we will have to watch out for. As it makes its way toward the U.S., toward Florida, what are some of the things that we have to watch out for? Wind speeds are going to increase ahead of this storm, and you can see here behind me hurricane force wind probabilities over the next 5 days. And you can see starting with today, going up to really just south of Turks and Caicos, and then all the way up as you go toward really Sunday, when that storm is expected to get closer to Florida and even potentially make landfall. Sunday, there's about a 30 to 40% chance of those hurricane force winds. And with this strong storm surge, and the ones that need to watch out for this starting later on this evening is going to be the island of Turks and Caicos. And I want you to look at this for a second. 15 to 20 feet in regards to storm surge. That's a lot anyway, but when you're talking about islands that are very shallow, highest elevation in Turks and Caicos is 161 feet. So 15 to 20 in regards to storm surge is just going to be devastating for those islands. Southeastern Bahamas, the same thing with only 206 feet in regards to that highest elevation. Again, everyone needs to start preparing from Florida to the Carolinas as well as this marches closer and closer to the continental U.S. Joe?
All right. Thank you, Kalee, for the update. Meanwhile,